A yeast allergy was one of the reasons that we started feeding our dog Dexter raw food, and we were recommended that by our vet. He used to chew his paws or scratch his ears a lot because of a build-up of yeast from his processed diet. So a raw food diet is really food in its purest form with far fewer allergens to aggravate a dog that is sensitive. You can look for a special recipe as well, perhaps one that doesn't contain veg. If there is a yeast allergy, then the vegetables in a raw food diet could aggravate that as well. So start them off on a meat-only diet. That's what we did. And we've gradually been able to reintroduce vegetables into Dexter's diet. He still doesn't eat as much as Maisie, who can eat whatever she likes without any problems. But yeah, look for those special recipes. You could also look for a recipe that doesn't contain any offal, so no kidney, heart or liver, as this can help some dogs with sensitivities as well. And another thing to remember if you have got a dog with allergies is to check the ingredients on any treats you're giving them, because you might be focusing on giving them a grain-free or veg-free diet at meal times, but then if their treats contain grains as well, then that could aggravate them as well. So overall, a raw food diet is food in its purest form, so that should certainly help any dogs with allergies. I hope that's been helpful and answered your question. If you do have any other questions or would like more information, then please do get in touch. We're absolutely happy to talk about dogs and raw dog food all day long.